Hello travelers, welcome back to our channel. Today we will explore the ultimate guide for your next European cruise. Whether you're a first-time cruiser or a seasoned sailor, common pitfalls can turn your dream vacation into a nightmare. So let's jump right into the 12 mistakes to avoid on a European cruise. Mistake 1. Overpacking. Overpacking is a classic mistake, especially for first-time cruisers. Trust me, you don't need 3 suitcases for a week-long trip. Cruise cabins are typically compact, and having too much luggage can lead to clutter and stress. Think about your wardrobe in terms of versatility. Pack clothing that can be mixed and matched easily. For instance, bring a few pairs of pants or skirts and several tops that can create different outfits. Don't forget the essentials like swimwear, comfortable walking shoes, and a light jacket or sweater. You might also want to consider the laundry facilities on board, as some ships offer laundry services or self-service laundromats, which can help you pack lighter. Mistake 2. Not planning excursions in advance. European ports offer incredible experiences, from historical landmarks to culinary tours. However, popular excursions can fill up quickly. To make the most of your time in port, research and book your tours ahead of time. This way, you can secure your spot on the must-see attractions and avoid disappointment. Look into a mix of excursions offered by the cruise line and independent tours. Sometimes independent tours provide a more intimate experience and are more affordable. Websites like Viator or local tour companies often have great options. Additionally, don't forget to read reviews and check ratings to ensure you're getting a quality experience. Mistake 3. Ignoring specialty dining. While the main dining room offers great meals, don't miss the specialty restaurants on board. These venues provide unique culinary experiences worth the extra cost, from gourmet steakhouses to sushi bars. Book your reservations early, as they can fill up quickly. Many cruise lines let you reserve online before your trip. Spread out your specialty dining throughout the cruise, perhaps starting with a special dinner on the first night and planning another mid-cruise. Some cruises offer dining packages that can save you money if you plan to dine at several specialty restaurants. Mistake 4. Skipping the spa and fitness center. Relax and rejuvenate on your cruise with a spa day or a fitness class. Enjoy treatments like massages, facials, and acupuncture, or unwind in thermal suites with saunas and steam rooms. Don't forget the fitness center, where you can join yoga, Pilates, or spinning classes. For a leisurely approach, walk or jog around the ship's track while taking in the ocean views. Mistake 5. Not considering the weather. European weather can be unpredictable, so pack layers and a raincoat, especially in spring or fall. Check the forecast for each port and prepare for changing conditions. A light, packable rain jacket, moisture-wicking shirts, a warm sweater, and a compact umbrella are essential. Be ready for both warm and cool climates, as temperatures can vary between ports. Mistake 6. Not exploring the ship on embarkation day. Use the first day to explore the ship. Find the best spots to relax, restaurants, and hidden gems like quiet lounges or observation decks. Grab a map or use the ship's app to note key locations. Familiarizing yourself with the layout will save time later. Check out the pool, theaters, and activity zones, and book any activities or reservations early, as they can fill up quickly. Mistake 7. Not budgeting for onboard expenses. Onboard expenses can add up quickly. Track your spending and set a budget to avoid surprises on your final bill. Use the daily spending summary available on your stateroom TV or the ship's app. Consider purchasing a beverage or dining package if you plan to enjoy cocktails, specialty coffees, or meals at specialty restaurants regularly. Be mindful of extra costs like internet access, laundry services, and shore excursions. A budget helps you enjoy your cruise without overspending. Mistake 8. Choosing the wrong cabin. Choosing the right cabin is crucial. Consider location, view, and noise level. Midship cabins are stable and ideal for those prone to seasickness, while higher decks offer better views. Inside cabins are more affordable but lack natural light. Research cabin categories and read reviews. For a quieter environment, avoid cabins near elevators, stairwells, or busy areas. Light sleepers might prefer cabins on lower decks or at the ship's ends to reduce foot traffic noise. Mistake 9. Not checking visa and passport requirements. Each European country has its entry requirements. Make sure your passport is up to date and check if you need visas for any of your destinations. Some countries require visas for short stays, while others have specific entry requirements for cruise passengers. Start checking your passport and visa requirements well in advance of your trip. Some visas can take weeks to process, so don't leave this until the last minute. Additionally, ensure your passport has at least 6 months of validity beyond your travel dates, as some countries have this requirement for entry. Mistake 10. Overindulging. It's tempting to indulge in all the food and drink options on a cruise, but remember, moderation is key. Overeating and drinking can lead to feeling sluggish or unwell, which can ruin your vacation. Enjoy the diverse culinary offerings, but try to balance indulgence with healthier options. Start with smaller portions and go back for more if you're still hungry. This can help you avoid overeating and wasting food. Also, stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water, especially if you're enjoying alcoholic beverages. Most ships offer free water, tea, and coffee, so take advantage of these options. Mistake 11. Not allowing enough time for popular attractions. Famous sites can have long lines, so give yourself plenty of time to explore. Consider arriving early or booking skip-the-line tickets to maximize your time at each destination. Popular attractions like the Eiffel Tower, the Vatican museums, or the Sagrada Familia can have wait times of several hours. Research your destinations and prioritize the attractions you most want to see. Look into timed entry tickets or guided tours that offer priority access. This way, you can spend more time enjoying the sights rather than waiting in line. Don't forget to account for travel time to and from the port, as traffic and transportation delays can eat into your day. Mistake 12. Not taking time to relax. Cruises can be packed with activities, but don't forget to take it easy. Enjoy a quiet moment on your balcony or find a peaceful spot to unwind and enjoy the scenery. It's important to strike a balance between participating in onboard activities and giving yourself time to relax and recharge. Consider setting aside some time each day for relaxation. Whether it's reading a book by the pool, taking a nap, or simply sitting quietly and enjoying the ocean view, these moments can enhance your overall cruise experience. Remember, vacations are meant to be enjoyed, so don't feel pressured to fill every moment with activity. So there you have it, the 12 mistakes to avoid on your European cruise. Plan, stay flexible, and most importantly, enjoy the journey. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more travel guides and tips. Bon voyage!